Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna see how we can add a shortcut button in the navigation bar of Samsung. So let's start with the video without any delay. So first of all, you have to download an application which is Navbar, and the Navbar application is only available at the Samsung's Galaxy Store. The application is not available at Play Store, so you have to download it from the Galaxy Store. Now after the installation of the application, simply open it and then simply turn on this toggle button and then tap on new configuration button. Tap on button layout and then simply tap on add button. Now on this tab you will get a different number of the layouts which you can use as the shortcut button. Now simply select the screen capture button, and after selecting you will see that the screen capture button added on the navigation bar. Now tap on this done button to save the settings, and the screenshot button is now added on your navigation bar menu. So this was the way by which you can add screenshot button on your navigation bar. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.